Hey,
Hey,
are you busy?
yeah, I'm covered up.
So I have something to tell you. It's good news. You're on speakerphone, and there's a lot of people here.
Oh, great.
A lot of important people here. I received a special award this morning at school, and I won $25,000.
What?
That's exactly what I said. So remember, I told you the State Department was coming today, and we had an important day.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was to give me an award for $25,000 for honoring special educators across the country, and I received the award.
And the only one in the state of
The only one in the state of West Virginia, and it comes with a cash prize of $25,000.
No way.
I swear, there's a lot of important people here.
That's awesome.
Yeah, the state superintendent is here. All of the board people are here, and my sister's known for a long time, and she actually kept it a secret.
Well, I'm glad they know you deserve it.
Aw.
That's awesome.
Thank you. I asked Kara first thing I asked her is if you knew. She said no. No one knew. She was sworn to secrecy, so I was excited to call and tell you. $25,000.
Cool.
Yep.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, still shaking.